Hello everyone. Today we are going to work with the Docker volumes. Imagine you have an applications and running inside the container. Something happened to your container, so automatically we lost some useful information. At this point of time, Docker volume will be helpful to us. Now I am going to show the demo of how we need to use the Docker volume. I am going to connect with SSH by using git bash. My PEM file is there in download, so just now I have moved to the download folder. Just now connecting to my EC2 instance. I am making the font maximum size. Here we can able to see the available volumes. Docker volume space ls. Here there is no volumes currently we have now, and I am creating the Docker volume now. Docker volume create Kishore. Now I am checking the available volumes. Currently I have the Kishore volume. Now I am going to inspect Docker volume. Docker volume inspect, volume name is Kishore. This is the very useful information. Mount point. Here all the storage is available in the mount point. Now I am going to install the Jenkins by running the command. Let me explain this command. Here docker run. It will be run the latest image of the Jenkins, and name. I have given the my Jenkins one name. -v means it is volume Kishore. It's going to attach. It is the Jenkins home directory, and -p port I am giving the access for the local, that is 8085, and 8080 is for host. This is for the work build agents. So now I am installing the Jenkins by running this command. Here make sure here we have given 8085 port. Now I am going to my public IP. Here this is my public IP. I am taking and I am giving 8085 port. Now it's loading the Jenkins server. We need administrator password and it is available in the terminal. Here I am copying the admin password. Click on continue. Plugins. It is installing now. Now it's all the plugins are installed. I am giving username Kishore, password I am giving, confirm password I am giving, full name I am giving Kishore, email address I am giving my email address. Click on save and continue. Now my Jenkins server is up, so it is the URL of the instance. Save and finish. Start using the Jenkins. Now it is my dashboard of the Jenkins. I am clicking create job. Here I am giving the small date. Here I am choosing the freestyle project. Click on OK. I am going to the build actions. Add build step. Here execute shell. I am giving the date command. So it will print the date after running build. Build now. Now here build is success. I am checking the output. It is the build. It is finished and success. It's showing the date command output. Now I am going to disconnect with this service and I am using another one. Here build agent port I am giving the 6 and browsing port I am giving 68086. I am giving my Jenkins name to 2. We should not change the volume because we are using the same volume for both. I am running this command. Now it is running. We will go for 8086 port. Now I am giving 8086 port. I am clicking on enter. Just click on username. I am giving the password to login. Clicking on sign in. Now what we have available data in 8085 port. So all the data it should be come here. See here. This is the same build. Earlier we have used the small. Now this is the build we got. Because of the volume, it's creating the connections. Example, if we lost the 8085 data, we can get the data in 8086. We are using the same volume. That is the useful of the Docker volume. Now I have this path mount point. I am going to inside the path. Data is available or not. I will show here. Sudo if space ls and path. See, we have the Jenkins data information here. This is the useful of the mount point.